In this video, I'm going to give you one super tip. If you can take it on board, then I guarantee within weeks, you're going to be taking better images. What do you need to become a better photographer? I'm talking to the people who really love their photography, but they want to get better. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably got very little patience when it comes to learning new techniques. I want to be told the technique, I want to do it, and I want to get better results. It's as simple as that. And the internet is full of people that are prepared to tell you everything you need to know in 60 seconds. But here's the problem. If it was possible to know everything about photography in 60 seconds, then I just wasted 37 years of my life getting to where I am now. You see, when clients book me to go out and do a job for them, they know that I've built 37 years worth of knowledge, going out every day shooting just about every scenario that you can think of. Whatever's thrown at me, whatever lens, whatever lighting, I've done it before. I've been there, I've bought the t-shirt. I learned by my mistakes, and that is the key. You see, I've learned in classrooms, I've learned from textbooks, I've learned from video content like this, from magazines and from masters of photography, and also from my peers. But the one thing that has taught me more about photography than anything else is my mistakes. And you should never ever be afraid to make them, because they're the building blocks of your photographic knowledge. If I was to curl up now and go to sleep and wake up tomorrow in Paris, what would that tell me about the beautiful French capital? Sure, I could look around and I could describe what I see. But on the other hand, if today I got into a car and drove down to the south coast of England, went over in the tunnel and drove from Calais to Paris, I would have seen the journey and I'd understand more about where it is. I'd know how far away it is. I'd know what was around it, and I'd be able to know more about the whole city because I'd made the journey. And that, I believe, is exactly what we need to do on our photographic journey. We need to learn from the journey itself. Within photography, there are many disciplines. There is so much to learn. You already probably have learned a great deal already. But here is where the problem of the human psyche comes in, because we are naturally pre-programmed to like the things that we're good at. So once you learn a particular technique, you tend to replicate it. You repeat it and repeat it and repeat it. And there is the danger of getting stuck in a rut. Some photographers might say, oh, well, that's what I like to do. Oh, that's what I'm into. That's my style. That's my thing. Because they know what they're doing. And in that one particular discipline, they feel safe. They don't want to start learning another. But it's the learning another that's going to make them a better photographer. If you truly want to become a great photographer, then you have to get out of your comfort zone. Sit yourself down and decide what you're good at, what you like to do, what you like taking pictures of, and then don't do it anymore. Give yourself different places to go, different lenses. Make yourself go into environments where you feel really uncomfortable. And I guarantee that is what is going to make you make mistakes. Of course you will. You're out of your comfort zone. You're in an area that you don't know much about. You'll make mistakes and you will learn from those mistakes, and you will be a better photographer. And you'll be surprised at how many times that you learn from one style and without realizing it, you develop an understanding of another. What do I mean? Doing night photography means you simply have to understand how light works. Because there's no light in the picture, you've got to create it. But that will help improve your ability to control light in a portrait setting. It stands to reason. It's still controlling light. So my top tip, my absolute top tip to being a better photographer is to get out of your comfort zone. Make some mistakes. Force yourself to photograph what you don't like photographing. Learn from the mistakes. Build your knowledge, and you will reap the rewards. I guarantee it. You will become a better photographer. You'll create an arsenal of knowledge that you can draw on at any time, whatever you're photographing, whatever somebody puts in front of you. So if you're a landscape photographer, go out, walk around the city or the town, walk around the streets of your village, stop complete strangers and ask to take portraits of them. Why? Because it will put you out of your comfort zone. You'll make mistakes and you will learn to be a better photographer. And if you want to have a look at a video of me stopping complete strangers and doing portraits, check out this video here.